What if I told you 2 minutes on the floor every day could quietly change your body and your mindset? No gym, no equipment, just you, the floor, and a timer that suddenly feels broken. Because let's be honest, a plank minute is not a normal minute. Now, most people think planks are just for abs, six-pack dreams, Instagram stuff, but that's not the real benefit. Here's what actually happens. First, your core wakes up. Not just the abs you see, but the deep muscles you feel, the ones that hold your spine together. Within a few days, you stand a little taller. You sit with less slouch. Your lower back stops complaining every time you bend. Around week 1, something clicks. You're not shaking as much. Breathing feels calmer. You're more in control instead of just surviving. By week 2, here's the surprise. Other movements feel better. Push-ups feel stronger. Walking feels steadier. Even balance improves, like your body learned how to stay solid. Now, let's talk about the myth. Will planks burn belly fat? No. 2 minutes won't magically erase fat, but they do something more important. They build the foundation. A stronger core means better workouts, better posture, less injury, and better results from everything else you do. But the biggest change isn't physical, it's mental. Holding a plank teaches you how to stay calm while uncomfortable. You stop quitting just because it burns. You learn to breathe and stay. That skill transfers. Work, life, everything. So, should you do it? Absolutely. Start with 30 seconds, build to 1 minute, then 2. Not to look impressive, but to become consistent. Because consistency beats motivation every single time. If you're starting today, comment 2MIN and let's see who actually sticks with it.